If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker than they used to, you're not alone. Maybe you're finding it harder to get up from your favorite chair, or your legs feel stiff after a short walk, or you're worried about losing your balance and independence. What if I told you that just 3 specific vitamins, yes, just 3, could help strengthen your legs faster than you think? In today's video, we're diving deep into the science and real-life stories behind these vitamins. You'll learn which vitamins can rebuild muscle and improve blood flow, the best natural food sources and supplements to take, how to take them safely, especially if you're on medication, and the simple morning and evening routines that seniors across America are using to regain leg strength, reduce pain, and feel younger again. If you're tired of feeling like your legs are holding you back, this video is your chance to turn things around, naturally and quickly. So grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let's take this journey together. Before we begin, make sure to like this video if you care about your health or the health of someone you love. Comment down below and tell us, what's the biggest challenge your legs are giving you right now? And subscribe to Life Chronicles for more doctor-backed health tips to keep you strong, mobile, and full of life well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Number 1, the silent struggle with weak legs after 60. As we age, one of the most common complaints isn't about memory or energy, it's about leg strength. Think about it. How many times have you felt unsteady getting out of bed, needed support walking upstairs, worried about falling on a simple trip to the grocery store? The truth is, leg weakness after 60 is not just normal aging. In many cases, it's a sign that your body is missing key nutrients, vitamins your muscles, joints, and nerves rely on every day to function properly. And that's exactly what this video is all about. By the end, you'll know the 3 most crucial vitamins for stronger legs, how to naturally boost your intake through food or supplements, and which daily habits can help you walk taller, move easier, and stay independent longer. Number 2, why seniors lose leg strength so fast. There are 3 main reasons older adults begin to lose leg strength. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. After 60, we lose 1 to 2% of our muscle mass every year. Without the right nutrients, it accelerates. Poor circulation. Weak blood flow means muscles don't get the oxygen or nutrients they need to rebuild and function. Vitamin deficiencies. Most Americans over 60 are low in at least one of the 3 key vitamins that power leg strength, nerve function, and bone support. Without these vitamins, your legs feel heavy, crampy, numb, or like they're just not supporting you the way they used to. Now let's reveal the first vitamin. Number 3, vitamin 1, vitamin D3, the leg muscle defender. Vitamin D3 is not just for bone health, it's one of the most important vitamins for leg strength. Here's why. It helps muscle fibers contract properly. It supports balance and coordination. It boosts calcium absorption, essential for strong bones and joints. The problem? Over 70% of seniors in the U.S. are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who stay indoors or wear sunscreen regularly. Symptoms of low D3, leg cramps, joint pain, muscle weakness, fatigue, especially in your legs. Best sources of vitamin D3: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, tuna, egg yolks, fortified dairy or plant milk, sunshine 15 to 20 minutes a day. Supplement tip: look for vitamin D3 with K2. This combo helps calcium go to your bones, not your arteries. Recommended dosage: 1,000 to 2,000 international units per day, depending on your doctor's guidance. Number 4, vitamin number 2, vitamin B12, the nerve recharger. If your legs feel numb, tingly, or weak like jelly, you might be missing vitamin B12. This vitamin is critical for nerve health, especially the nerves that control your leg muscles. After 60, our stomachs produce less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. Low B12 equals slower nerve signals, equals poor leg control and strength. Symptoms of low B12: burning feet, trouble walking, straight memory loss, or brain fog because your nerves are impacted. Best B12 food sources: beef liver clams, eggs, dairy fortified cereals. Supplement tip: choose methylcobalamin or sublingual. B12 drops, these are better absorbed. Recommended dosage, 1,000 micrograms per day, especially if you're vegan, vegetarian, or over 60. Number 5, vitamin number 3, magnesium, the cramp fighter. Ever wake up with a Charlie horse in the middle of the night? Or feel sudden leg cramps while walking? That could be low magnesium. This mineral is vital for relaxing muscle fibers and supporting healthy nerve transmission, especially in your legs. Magnesium helps prevent muscle cramps and spasms, reduce inflammation in the joints, improve sleep, which helps muscle recovery. Top magnesium-rich foods: pumpkin seeds, spinach, avocados, almonds, black beans, dark chocolate. Yes, really. Supplement. Tip: look for magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate. They're gentle and absorb well. Recommended dosage: 200 to 400 milligrams per day. Number 6, how to take all 3 safely, doctor's routine. Let's break down a simple daily routine using these 3 vitamins safely and effectively. Morning, take vitamin D3 plus K2 with breakfast. Have an egg and a piece of salmon toast or fortified cereal. Midday, eat a magnesium-rich lunch, spinach, beans, or nuts. If needed, take a magnesium glycinate supplement. Evening, take B12 drops under your tongue before dinner. Enjoy a magnesium-rich snack like dark chocolate or almonds. Always take vitamins with food and plenty of water. Talk to your doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you're on medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinners. Number 7, lifestyle habits that make these vitamins work better. Vitamins are powerful, but they work best when combined with good daily habits. Here's what to add. Light leg exercises, 10-minute morning stretches, chair squats or leg raises, short walks with light ankle weights. Hydration. Muscles need water to function. Drink 6 to 8 glasses per day. Anti-inflammatory diet. Less sugar, more greens. Use olive oil, turmeric, and fatty fish. Often sleep. Muscles heal and grow while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Final message: stronger legs, stronger life. Getting older doesn't mean giving up your strength. It means getting smarter about how you fuel your body. Vitamin D3, vitamin B12, magnesium. These 3 nutrients, taken consistently, could be the difference between a fall and a confident step, between needing help and helping others. Your legs are your freedom, your independence, your path forward, so don't wait. Start today. Your stronger legs and better life are just a few steps away. Like this video if you found it helpful, comment your biggest takeaway, subscribe for more practical senior health tips every week.